Hello you guys, I'm back again with another video. Today is actually the D-Day. It's finally the day that I'm going to be making this couch, and I think we may have a little bit of a problem. However, I don't know how I can deal with that situation because I need to call builders because some of the planks that they sent me are not the same size, and that will really affect my build. So I'm just gonna give you guys a tour of the patio before, and then and then I'll show you guys the after video or picture of the patio, how it looks. It's a bit dirty right now, so I'm gonna clean it up and try to mop so that I can have a very clean working station or working area, if you may call it that. And yeah, let me show you how it looks like. So it looks a lot like that. So this is upstairs. This is the view of the entire place. However, it is just an empty, like, blank canvas. I would just like have a braai stand over there and like a bar stool, which is not even allowed in the house anymore, and two very filthy bean bags. Then that's part of the reason why I'm trying to make these this patio sets that I'm going to be making. So yeah, so just let me know what you think. Yes, it's very filthy. You can remind me, it's okay. Yeah, so these are the planks that I have. I'm just gonna give you a little bit of a, not a tour, it's just how the setup is looking like right now. So this is like my box with all of my tools, and these are all the planks that I'm gonna be using for this project. But my only concern is when you put them side by side like that. So there's like about a centimeter inch
and 69,820
no centimeter difference in their sizing, and that is a bit worrying for me. And I don't know if I should call builders, but I think I'm gonna give them a call so that, you know, it's not gonna work out if I ask them to cut the things for me and it's not cut properly to size. Yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys know how that goes, and I'm gonna clean this out, and I'm gonna clean this area out, and yeah, let's go. So I've been struggling and I made a couple of mistakes, and now I'm trying to like rectify them, but I'm trying to show you guys how to assemble this and how I've come back to my senses. I almost forgot to put on the glue, which is a nightmare, but anyways, show you. So we're gonna have the long piece lying like that. I'm gonna put some wood glue in, and then I don't have a clamp, which is I think one of the most difficult things of not having a clamp. Is really, really important. I think you guys need to get yourselves one if you don't already have one. This is so annoying because now I have to hold this in place with one hand and then try to put the other screw in. So I've applied wood filler and my hands are like extremely dirty, but I'm just gonna continue working. I'm just gonna continue sanding. While the wood filler dries, I'm gonna apply another coat, oh my god, another coat, and then I'll be sanding around the other areas in the meantime, and then yeah, I won't let that stop. Almost forgot to put these on, obviously. How do I put this on? God damn. It broke. See, it's almost done, and I just need to add cushions, paint and add cushions, and then yeah, I'll show you guys the whole project soon. What's up my beautiful people, I'm back again with another video, and yes, I'm wearing a duke. This is how I sleep at night, and I just woke up. The reason why I'm making this, I don't have time to pull on makeup, and I never really have time to do all of that stuff. In case I think you've noticed on my previous videos, it's a lot of work. But I'm going to be launching another video when I'm showing you guys how I do my makeup. Okay, so my niece and nephew did a number on me. I should have posted this video about like 5 weeks ago now. 5 weeks already, so sorry. And because they deleted some of the content that was on my camera, everything was lost. But good thing I backed up some of the things as I was going, so they didn't really delete a lot. But the final launching product was done, and I'm just gonna be going upstairs to show you guys what the chair looks like. And finally it's done, and yeah, so this is my final chair. the one that I had been thinking about completing. You can look at this. We had a bra last night. And this is how the chair looks, and the bra stand is still there. But anyways, don't mind that. Yeah, so it's the completed baby things, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I am enjoying this chair quite, to be quite honest. I get to chill, and it's zoomy. Like I said in the previous situation, that I've been going through some things, and I'll be moving home because homegirl cannot afford to pay rent anymore. So it's a smart move to be moving back home and trying to start a new life. Hopefully this YouTube, guys, please like and subscribe and do all those nice things, because right now my life depends on it. Like literally. I don't like talking on the camera because I get really emotional, especially when I'm talking about my personal stuff. Whew, keep it together. It's been hard. It's gonna be hard moving back home. Although when you get knocked down, the only way is to get back up. You know what I mean? When you get knocked down, only solution. You cannot go further than down. Like you cannot go downer than down. And I know sometimes it may feel like that, especially if you're dealing with mental health issues. And yeah, so that's the tip for me today while I'm laying on my chair. This whole thing keeps on bugging me. So this is me laying back on my chair, and yeah. So yeah, so that's the deal. So I'm moving back home. I think I've been saying that 15 times. We get it. We get it. I'm dumb. But anyways, so yeah, so I'm also still gonna continue making my own DIY projects even though I'm at home. Doesn't mean that there isn't like a floor or like tools. I really have all the tools, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little segment. Hopefully it's not too depressing. And we out.